Grandpa, come and see what we found.
We found this when we were playing outside.
Let's see what we have here. This looks like an ancient gong. Possibly from the Benin Kingdom. This is fantastic. What a historical find.
So what exactly is the Benin Kingdom, Grandpa? Just one decree: ice cream for all and tax free. IYA, big and wide. IYA, stand with pride. IYA, built so high. IYA, touch the sky. IYA, big and wide. IYA, stand with pride. IYA, built so high. IYA, touch the sky. Kingdom is in present-day Nigeria in Edo State.
The Great Walls of Benin were 4 times larger than the Great Wall of China.
The Benin people were very diverse workers. Some people worked as farmers and potters. The Benin people wore colourful fabrics and coral beads showing their royal status.
And they danced, played drums, and ate delicious food like pepper soup and pounded yam. Thanks for watching, explorers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Keko Africa adventures.